In our last video, we cut through the hype around pills and powders that promise a quick immune fix. But what if the single most powerful supplement for your immune system is completely free, has zero side effects, and you're probably not getting enough of it? It's not in a bottle, it's in your bedroom. Today, we're revealing the profound, science-backed connection between sleep and immunity, and why quality rest isn't just recovery, it's active defense. What if I told you that one of the most powerful immune-boosting tools is completely free, available to everyone, and feels wonderful? It's not a pill or a superfood, it's sleep. Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're exploring the incredible connection between your pillow and your protection. While you're sleeping, your body isn't just resting, it's running a sophisticated immune factory. During deep sleep, your body produces and distributes powerful immune proteins called cytokines. These act like emergency signals that coordinate your immune response. Without enough sleep, this factory runs on reduced shifts. Here's something remarkable. Your T cells, the elite soldiers that destroy infected cells, actually need sleep to work effectively. During sleep, adhesion molecules help T cells stick to and destroy infected cells. When you're sleep-deprived, these molecules decrease, and your T cells become less effective assassins. Research shows this dramatically. People who sleep well after vaccinations develop stronger, longer-lasting immunity. In one study, well-rested people produced twice as many antibodies after a flu shot compared to those who were sleep-deprived. Your body literally consolidates immune memory during sleep. In a famous study, researchers tracked people's sleep habits, then exposed them to cold viruses. The results were striking. Those who slept less than 6 hours were 4 times more likely to catch a cold than those sleeping 7 hours or more. Sleep deprivation wasn't just a small factor, it was a major vulnerability. Sleep is also when your body performs essential maintenance. The glymphatic system, your brain's cleanup crew, becomes highly active during deep sleep, flushing out toxins and cellular debris that accumulate during the day. This includes clearing out inflammatory compounds that can weaken immunity. So how much sleep do you need? Most adults need 7 to 9 hours. Quality matters too. Maintain consistent sleep times, keep your room dark and cool, and avoid screens before bed. Think of sleep not as downtime, but as active immune maintenance time. Ever notice you feel sleepier when you're fighting an infection? That's intentional. Your body produces chemicals that increase sleep drive, forcing you to rest so immune forces can work effectively. Fighting that fatigue is like sending soldiers into battle without letting them prepare. Remember, sleep isn't passive downtime. It's when your body manufactures immune soldiers, enhances their effectiveness, cleans up inflammation, and consolidates immune memory. Prioritizing sleep isn't laziness, it's strategic immune defense. Your immune system works the night shift. Make sure you're giving it the time it needs. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who needs to hear that sleeping is productive. Subscribe to the Health Sketchpad for more science-backed health insights.